Welcome to the place when you want a good time. Just for fun and the place when joke on your mind. And just for fun and we don't want to see it done. Just for fun, laugh till the drop down. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Welcome to the place when you want. This is the last straw. This is the last bomb straw. I want to want for me. Me plan me go so me can have food for them. Every day I come and pick off my things them. When pick off my ackee, when pick off my life. When pick off my pepper them, when pick off my orange. I want to pick off the things them, you know. Then I have nothing for me. And pick off the bomb thing. Now come out this morning, them guarded me a hell of a ram goat. $20,000 me pay for me goat, you know. One hell of a ram goat. And them guard with him. When you think it don't go so? He not go so. When you hear me?
Oh yeah, sir, Mr. Gilbert. Man, them gone with the rammy.
Them guard with me hell of a goat, yes. All the rope I got time up with them guard with.
Come like someone should say, I see him brother come already, you know. And take off my pants and shirt off my line. And move off my crib them off 5 step. Is a man see him downtown, you know. And thinks you're me. And I say, yo, carrot. And the man look him and say, oh, it's a different man of all my things. And I hold him and beat him and take off my things and carry back come give me. But if I show me say the boy escape, but him know I who still. And the day him hold him again, man, I'm gonna make sure him carry him come give me. So no watch nothing, man, but so catch him.
It's alright. It's alright, you know. I'm going to set something for him.
Yeah, it's a fair man and him iron. That is soft and rotted. I show me say some coward thing I did it, man, before I met the journey. Can you tell me say them place here I come? You tell me say you want me carry across town and them place you want me come pull up? No, my brethren, no depend on that, you know. Now come down to them places so. You lucky me even come this far. Now sure say my brethren tell me say one time I come and say come drop off a girl, you know. And I'm steering wheel and them jazz and a Christmas tree air fresh around they make him come out with. Oh me? When I play with them places on my youth. I want to tell you, Iron. It come like if you get say me name Mr. Good all about. AKA Mr. There everywhere. AKA Mr. Tarry in any Gary. Good as long as you're there with me, man. So I say, you know, pull over down there, so about 20 minutes, we come back to be 2 JUS. How you talk about drink 2 JUS? Brethren, the way them place have me, para. You feel like my bowel them all want to get loose. Yo, lick more. Carrot. How are they? Yo. So, I have to arrest me, Jay.
I beg you hold it down still, you know. I don't know. Man, I starve. I have to keep residence private. You see me?
John, carrot. Yeah, not easy, you know. You know, say I suck one rate the ice still, you know. Because what? They have to be a really hot. Flipping on them area. You see me?
You don't know. But one day I just go and hold it down still. Saying?
Yo, trust me, carrot. That one has a hard sell, my youth. Because what? You don't know my reputation as a arms house youth already. And no man never know where I live until today. Saying, I'm come find you at them place here. And you want me to hold it down. And not tell nobody. He's a wicked youth, carrot. Trust me.
I saw you go on. Yo, I have to move out of this still, you know. Because I tell you something, yo. I have to walk light. Because the place brickle. Because Chichi and Duck and them would have nyam down everything in my youth. You see all chink, blood, cleat. I can't sleep at night, my youth. Chink could have killed me now. So I sure say I have to move out. You know, I have some little building block and some cement and little bread that give me, you know. I start with that little thing around at the back. That's what I deal with.
I'll go on a carrot. There's a real sample now. And I have 3 billion block and a handful of gravel I talk about here building and something on at the back. So you know what? Better you go and shut the rest of the block them on top of the zinc and go and hold on your roof, you see me? And get your mind right. Go and push, you know, come there on a mission. Make it works, you know. What I say? I come on and free later.
Social about still.
Well, no say nothing, you know. Me see you around there.
Big things round there today. Trust me.
Yo, I say sweet tap. Man, I drink when kindness, you know. I'm telling you, man. You know, about 13, you never reach your prime. I shot you go with kindness wine. Chef on my back, I make some blue jars and duck, you know. Tell him to forgive you one, and me deal with it for you.
Hey, look, boy, Lego. I come talk about with kindness. I want you.
Hey, yo, that big lip boy there's a fight against youth and youth, you know. Come on, the one carry now shop today. I wonder why I go on. The man the wave I do. I'm sure being passed through.
Yo, the man that's so show up. I better wash the face.
No wash no face. The teeth and lip. If you catch me drip.
Hey, boy, sweet up. What about them?
The big star come here.
Shout I want you. You just passed me, sir. I want
Yeah, what go on, Darius? Yo, what I say?
Man, sure say you were there wait, man. How you come so late, man?
Yo, man, and I just come thing with you in a bridging. My time with the pan. What?
You don't know. I had a star. So everything kind of on pause me, you're too far. You see me? Wow, everything good?
Star. Come like that joke thing, this road boy. See me, I did it. I want to my youth. You level? No. Not no level. Everything off balance right now. See me, I say.
Carrot, the whole way I feel it, you know. Things don't really that cute. But the chef said, I'm make some blue jars around there. You can buy one, my youth.
What am I do with that?
What you mean? People do with blue jars, carrot, and eat it while it hot. What can I eat that question that?
Yo, I don't know don't no star. Cause right now my stomach well tender. Man, sure say come like me eat some rotten leftover stew peas last night. Star, oh, my stomach gonna kill me. I try everything from Cersei to Single Bible. Yeah, that thing say if I poison them poison me, so I drive here so I'm busy. I mean, I sure say me I drink all them something, I mean I no sugar. Lord boy, all me know now. Get up this morning with a lamp wick in my mouth. Come like me suck a bit, drop a lamp pile out tight. That's it.
Hey, don't have a little thing when them say, lamp pile and gutter water for the dread. But me never really hear them mention nothing about bald. You know me I say, in carrot.
Hey, yo, Carrot, man, tell us that the boy a sweet up, you know. Everything for him is a joke. I him not even know.
Boy face, everything have so serious, and I just son. Relax to my youth. You show the name just for fun.
That's your attitude. But most of what fun to you is box up and kick down to me. Because I sure say if you just Lego them thing there, them bag a little sneaky style in there and them little antics. Because women love that.
Carrot, all I go on, you know me no mean harm.
It's alright now, sweet sap. I'm not too penetrate you and your little antics, you know. Come here, pretty bigger things. I look into my life right now and my life dismal. You see me? Everywhere I go, people are talking about Carrot, we love you. Carrot, you're the best. Carrot. And what? Nothing not going for me, road boy. You see me?
Carrot, I know you alone I feel it tonight. Things are really that cute. But that's why we are going to work with just for fun. And I try to build my youth.
Yeah? Well, right now, some bills me a deal it. Straight in my pocket. Build that. Yo, Carrot, you know some of the eye tie with them boy, you know. I'm not dig off him fist still. But the real thing my talk. A bill we a bill. And you know we are going good though. Going good though. Going good for you. Road boy. The asphalt up close and personal with my left boot big toe. You can go and talk. That's right about now. And I quit. That's it.
What? Quit carrot?
Carrot, quit what? I say me quit. Me finito. Me done. Me no want depend just for fun. Matter of fact, cut.
Whoa, hold on. Carrot, you can't cut my show. Come like say I forget the other things. Me are the creator and director. Me alone say action. Me alone say cut, and you can't go no other way.
Hey yo, Tread, you come like you don't get what me I say. Me a cut. So me say cut, cause me no want depend no tape until my demands them get make. Yeah.
Carrot, me really don't know what you're on today, you know. But just know say you come here today with a bad vibe like you want to disrupt the program. Now you come talk about this demand thing like you're out for all me, the show and you're bridging them hostage. You come like a classic case of swelled, if you ask me.
More like a real life case of swell belly. Yo, me malnourish my youth. More time you can't find food for eat. So you can go and talk. Me a stick to my demands.
Yo, if me hear the word demand one more time, I'm going to lose it. Because I don't know what you want. So what? I can deal with it right now, no? Carrot, why it going to take to make you happy so the show can go on?
Well, alright. Since you want to know, for starters, I'm going to need a new transport. Something I use gas. I'm not pressure you still. But I'm going to have to buy me a car right now. I'm going to ride a bike. See?
Alright, now listen. I demands, you say, so go and talk.
Well, alright. Next, I'm going to need some clothes. Man a star. And last but not least, I'm going to need some to warm up my pocket every fortnight. Yeah, and that me I deal with.
Boy, Carrot, you stick me up a way, you know. But I'll get to you real still. Because what? I can't knock your contribution to the show because it's way up there. You see my deal with? But the budget, I really depend on nothing right now. And I can't angle them demands there. The most me can do is out of my personal team can help you out with some clothes and them little small thing there. But them other two demands there, I could just go and build now, like Face and Sweet Supper say, and go and work away towards that.
Well, here what? I'll go and work towards my yard, you know. I'll go and work towards that. Real chat.
Yo, Carrot. Carrot. Oh, you gonna do that to it?
Yeah, watch me. So me I stick to my guns. So me done it just for fun.
Please come here. I want to talk to you.
Yo, Sweet Sap, so see it for yourself. I not like some never try. But me can't afford to give Carrot a bike right now. Or put him on a payroll. Me can't do that. And I like some never offer the man to help him out with some clothes. And I tell you say that I go broke my back to car. I don't really have it like that. But would I do that for him? No?
Yeah, what you want? Why you security?
Me there. I wait for the one big up come let off some money.
I call you because I want to know if you want me to use the chicken back or the cow skin in the soup.
Yo, deal with the cow skin. Too much chicken back here.
Oh, I want to ask you. I want to Carrot.
Boy, Carrot say him done with the show, you know. Say him want this and him want that. But me can't beg to them still, you know, because if man have to look out for themselves. You know me I say? Even though the show look like it out for sink.
How Carrot for do that? I mean, just get my little bus.
You're lucky you get your little bus. I know nobody don't really know my name yet, you know. Coming to get my broke out episode yet. I could have really want to go on.
And frankly, I never know say when I come to this when me talk one-on-one with a cartoon character. Yet alone, somebody who me create, I try to sabotage me. But I just for fun, me say, I'm not stop say so.
Yo, what kind of thing I go on? What kind of thing Carrot I deal with? Face show me say my demand, me things. I'll quit the show and thing. And them kind of things them I deal with.
Well, if Face him did, then him did.
Yo dog, me have say a simple thing, you know. And you come answer me like say, you dep on some funny style thing. Yo, man, I try style my thing, you know. Yeah? Yo, big
Yo,
man.
I can't deal with the back and forth thing with the them right now. I don't have no issue, but no another time. And yeah, bigger. You're a key part of the show, and you have a right to know what go on. Can't quit the thing, I make a bunch of demands, and me can't meet them demands right now. So, I just have to make him go on.
Yeah. So what I say? Yeah, my demand a crocus bag of things.
I don't really say I want a whole heap of things, but I things that my man ask for. Bike, wardrobe, and bi-weekly salary. That will cost a crocus bag of money, which me not have.
Then Tread, my first video, the Beer Things video, the million plus it gone. So you can go on like say one dim my thing. Star still there. Show off go on.
Bigger, I can't deny your contribution to the show, because it's extra large. And as a matter of fact, everybody on the show is a star in their own right. But, carrot are the glue, and we can't go around that. Well, you see right now, I feel like I'm going to put the show up on pause, Give everybody some time to sort out themselves. And maybe by the time the carrot to get in mind right. You know what I deal with?
Cartoon show flopped.